Last month our channel hit 20,000 subscribers. 20,000 people following me. Wow. So I thought to make a Q&A video on this channel. Many of you guys probably don't know about me personally because I didn't say anything about me here on this channel. I was always posting tech content again and again and again. Few days back I posted an audience poll on my community post asking you whether you guys need a Q&A video or not. So most of the people said yes, they need. So here it is. You can ask any of the questions about me like my place, my age, my education or how I make the videos or anything. It's up to you guys. Just ask any of your questions in the comment section of this video with hashtag AskFMJ or message me your questions through my Instagram or Twitter. All the social media links are in the description down below. When I receive all your questions, I will do a dedicated video with its answers. So that's pretty much it for this video and I'm waiting for your questions. Bye.